We'll guide you through how to sync apps on an iPhone and an iPad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can go and have data synced and the app synced. There are different ways you can go about it, so we're going to cover them in this video so you can achieve what you want to, hopefully. Just make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. So to go and get started, we're doing the same steps on both an iPhone and an iPad. Open up the settings. Then you want to come to the top or the top left on an iPad and tap on the Apple ID account. The same account will need to be on both devices, by the way. Now in here on both devices, come down into iCloud and click Save to iCloud, like so. Then what you want to do is go and scroll down here and you want to go and switch on the apps that you want to go and be synced. So you can scroll down here and I've got all of these turned on, and you can then do the same thing on the iPad. So you can come in here, come into iCloud, press Save to iCloud, and you have to scroll down and make sure the apps are all switched on. Next, what you need to do on both devices is we need to come back to the main settings, scroll down to the bottom and find apps, do the same thing on the iPad, and you want to go and find App Store, and you want to make sure the automated downloads are all switched on. As I said, do that on both devices. So we'll scroll down to the bottom on the left and find apps, find App Store, and you want to make sure these are all switched on like so. Then when you go and download an app on the iPhone, it's on the iPad, vice versa. That's it. Now it should go and be synced. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more. Thank you for watching.